Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty here in Florida, making you one of my Philadelphia staples. This is steak and eggs. So simple, so fast. Before I show you guys, be sure to go to the Blackstone Products YouTube channel. Click that bell, click that subscribe button, and then you'll never miss a notification.
Or a bug.
Or a bug, because Florida is full of bugs.
You know, I've actually never had this. I can't wait to do it.
I'm bringing you some Philly. You're giving me all these Florida bugs. Let's get cooking, CJ. So to start these cheesesteaks, I love adding sriracha and ketchup mixed together to make a spicy ketchup for these. So we're just gonna mix equal parts and then we're just gonna slide that aside. Now to our steaks. So now I have these two beautiful ribeyes here that we just stuck in the freezer for about 15-20 minutes. That way they firm up nice and cold for slicing. We wanna slice these as thin as possible since we are doing a Philadelphia style cheesesteak. You wanna keep all that beautiful fat on these. Don't get rid of it. That is all of our flavor. You're gonna love it, so keep it. Once that's all sliced up, we're gonna chop up some sweet onion. Once that's all chopped up, we have our eggs. We're gonna crack them into a bowl and whisk them together with a little bit of half and half. Season them with a little salt and pepper, and now we're ready to throw down our steak. We have our Blackstone preheated to high heat. We're gonna drop down a little bit of olive oil, throw down our ribeye steak, let that sear. You want it to be nice and hot and sear all that fat and that meat. You don't want to see anything steaming in any liquid, so spread it out. Let it get nice and caramelized. Once it's halfway done, because this is going to take just minutes to cook your steak, we're going to throw down our onions. Add a little bit of salt and pepper to those onions and let that hang out. Now we're going to spread out our steak and make room to add our eggs. Now our eggs are going to cook super fast, nice and thin through these. This is not a sexy egg recipe. This is the egg has to stick to the steak kind of recipe. That's how we do it in Philadelphia. So just let that scramble together for a moment. Now we're going to add some good Boar's Head American cheese and provolone cheese. Let that melt down all through those eggs and steak. We have these beautiful Italian rolls that we're just going to slice down the middle, being sure not to go through the whole thing. So we place our rolls on top of our eggs and steak that's all lined up. Let that hang out for about 30 to 60 seconds. And then with the biggest spatula you have, because this bread is so big, right, CJ?
Right.
We're gonna try to get this all into this roll as we flip it around. If you lose any, stick it back in there.
No meat left behind.
You do not want to leave any meat left behind. So let's plate these up. Are you ready for this?
Oh, Betty, these are gorgeous.
We are going to spin these around here, and I'm going to slice them up because who is going to eat that much? Not me.
Not me.
You might, but
no, I don't
we're
think
just
so.
going to do this like we do at home. Slice them up into individual size servings.
Yeah, this is perfect.
This is how we feed a crowd.
I never eat steak for breakfast.
Oh my goodness. Steak and dippy egg with the yolk, but this...
You lost me at dippy eggs.
Look.
Sorry, it's going to be a hard pass for me.
Look at all that meat and cheese in there.
Oh,
I mean, this is just gorgeous. Look at that. I mean, just, you know, it's a little taste of home while I'm down here. All right. Now I want you to have a little taste of my home.
Yes.
So you want an end? You want a middle? How do you like it?
I'll take an end. I'll take an end.
All right. Look at all that cheese in yours.
Oh, yeah.
It's delicious.
My
cheers,
goodness.
my friend.
Yes, cheers.
Take a big old bite.
It's always the camera juggle.
I gotta say, your rolls aren't too shabby here.
What are you talking about? I woke up early and made those just for you.
It's good, isn't it?
So good. I love that sauce. It's good heat.
So, I'm glad that you liked it, CJ.
I loved it.
I hope you guys make it at home for your family and friends. I hope you go home, CJ, make it for your girls.
I'm going to do it.
Post a picture for me.
Yep.
Don't forget to tag me.
Done and done.
Tag Blackstone Betty. Don't forget to go to the Blackstone Products YouTube channel. And until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty, and I cannot wait to see you guys eating some cheesesteaks, not Philadelphia or Philly cheesesteaks, but cheesesteaks and eggs. Steak and eggs.
It's a Philly cheesesteak and eggs. It's a Philly cheesesteak and eggs.
Go make one and post it. I can't wait to see it.